Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create Binance account. If you want to start trading or you just want to invest into crypto, then Binance could be the best option for you. And today I'll show you how you can start your journey with it. So first simply go to any browser and then you have to search for Binance. Open the first link and after that you will get onto its website. Once you get there, you will get different options through which you can sign up. You can go with your email address, your Google, Apple, or your Telegram account. You can go with any one of these options and then you have to get agreed to their terms and conditions. Make sure you click onto the checkbox and then click on next. As you click onto the next, then it will take you to the next page where you have to do your verification. But before it says welcome board, so simply click on next. And for the verification, you have to upload some of your documents. So here first you have to select your region or your country. And then you have to select your nationality and you have three options to upload your document for verification. One, you can upload your national identity card issued by your government, or you can upload your passport or driver license. So simply select any one of these options and then you have two options. Either you can upload your documents or if you want to capture at the moment, then scan this code on your mobile phone and then a camera will open. From there you can scan your documents. After that, once you have uploaded your document, your verification will be sent to the Binance and it will take some time. It can take up to 24 hours or maybe less, and once you get approved, then your account will be created. Otherwise, if the verification does not complete, you would not be able to create your account and then you have to again upload your documents. But if your verification completes, then you will be onto this dashboard. That means your account has been created and you're ready to start your crypto journey. So that's how you can create your Binance account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.